Good morning, students of class 9B. In the period of mathematics, our exercise 21.20.1 is continue. Question number 16. This question states that a cuboid is 25 centimeter long, 15 centimeter broad, and 9 centimeter high. Find the total surface area of the cube having its volume equal to that of the cuboid. So for that, here I have written given informations: length is 25 centimeter, breadth is 15 centimeter, and height is 9 centimeter. The volume of the cuboid LBH 25 centimeter into 15 centimeter into 9 centimeter. I got 375 into 9 centimeter cube. These two multiplication is 375 into 9 centimeter cube. So this multiplication became 3375 centimeter cube. Now, as given in the question, the volume of the cuboid is equal to the volume of the cube. So the volume of the cube equal to 3375 centimeter cube. A is cube equal to 3375 centimeter cube. So A is equal to, from the prime factorization, I got 3 into 5, that is 15 centimeter. So TSA means total surface area of the cube equal to 6A square, that is 6 into age or A, both are same, age 15 centimeter whole square. So 6 into 15 centimeter equal to 225 centimeters. So 6 into 225 centimeter square equal to 1350 centimeter square. Question number 19 states that 3 cubes of sides x centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted and formed into a single cube of age 12 centimeter. Find x. So for this question, first of all, I have got the sum of volumes of those 3 cubes whose sides are x centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. The sum of volumes of 3 cubes equal to x cube plus 8 centimeter whole cube plus 10 centimeter whole cube. This x cube plus 8 centimeter whole cube, that is 512 centimeter cube, plus 10 centimeter whole cube, that is 1000 centimeter cube. I have added these two. I got x cube plus 1512 centimeter cube. So the volume of the new cube equal to, age is given in the question, 12 centimeter whole cube, that is equal to 1728 centimeter cube. As given, the sum of volumes of these 3 cubes is equal to the sum of the new cube, because these 3 are melted and one new cube is recasted. So for that I have written here x cube plus 1512 centimeter cube equal to 1728 centimeter cube. So x cube equal to 1728 minus 1512 centimeter cube. So x cube equal to 216 centimeter cube. Therefore x equal to 6 centimeter. So the age of that new cube became, so the value of x that was asked in the question, to find the value of x, the value of x became 6 centimeter. Question number 22 states that a metal cube of side 4 cm is immersed in a water tank. The length and breadth of the tank are 8 cm and 4 cm respectively. Find the rise in level of the water. So the solution of this question: the side of the metal cube is given 4 cm. I got the volume of the metal cube, that is side cube, 4 cm whole cube equal to 64 cm cube. Now the volume of the water tank is equal to the volume of the metal cube. So the volume of water tank LBH, length and breadth is given, but height is not given, so I consider the height BH. 8 cm is the length, 4 cm is the breadth, and height is H, that is equal to 64 cm cube. 8 4 is 32 centimeter square into h equal to 64 centimeter cube. 32 2 is 64, so h equal to 2 centimeter. So the height of the water tank became 2 centimeter. In question number 27, a room is 5 meter long, 2 meter broad and 4 meter high. Calculate the maximum number of persons it can accommodate if each person needs 0.16 meter cube of air. So first of all, I got the volume of the room, that is L into B into H, 5 meter into 2 meter into 4 meter, that is 40 meter cube. So the maximum number of persons equal to the volume of the room by the air required for each person, that is 0.16, 40 meter cube by 0.16 meter cube. Here I have omitted this decimal, so 100 went up, 40 into 100 by 16, 4 4 is 16, 4 10 is 40, and 425 is 100, so 25 into 10 equal to 250 people can sit in that room. Question number 30 states that the cost of papering the four walls of a room at rupees 1 per meter square is rupees 210. The height of the room is 5 meter. Find the length and breadth of the room if they are in the ratio 5:2. These are the given informations I have written here. The rate of papering the four walls equal to rupees 1 per meter square. The cost of papering the four walls equal to rupees 210. The height of the room equal to 5 meter. Let the now ratio is given. Ratio of the length and breadth is given. So I have considered, let the length and breadth of the room be 5x and 2x. Ratio was 5:2. So I considered length 5x and breadth 2x. Now the cost of papering equal to the area of four walls into rate of papering. So total cost is 210, that is equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height, that is the area of the four walls. 2 into length plus breadth into height. These are the values, and this is the rate of papering. So equation became 210 equal to 2 5s are 10 and 5 plus 2x 7x. So I have cancelled, 0 0 cancelled, 7 3s are 21 cancelled, so x equal to 3. Now the length of the room equal to 5 into 3 15 centimeter, and the breadth of the room equal to 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. Question number 34. The length of cold storage room is double its breadth. Its height is 3 meter. The area of its four walls, including door, is 108 meter square. Find its volume. As per the solution, let the breadth of cold storage room be x, then length will be 2x, height is given 3 meter. So area of the four walls, that is also given in the question, 108 meter square. This is the formula of area of four walls, 2 into length plus breadth into height equal to 108 meter square. 2 into length is 2x and breadth is x, so 2x plus x into 3 meter, height is 3 meter equal to 108 meter square. So 2 into this 2x plus x became 3x into 3 meter equal to 108 meter square. 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18, these two are cut, then 2 18 is 36, these two are cut, then 3 6 is 18, so x equal to 6 meter. Now the volume of the room, that is equal to L into B into H, 12 meter into 6 meter into 3 meter, that is equal to 216 meter cube. Question number 37. The area of a playground is 4,800 meters square. Find the cost of covering it with gravel 2.5 centimeter deep if the gravel costs rupees 7.25 per meter cube. So the area of the playground is given 4,800 meters square. Depth of the playground is also given, that is 2.5. That is in 2.5. That is in centimeter, not in meter. That is in centimeter. This is centimeter. So I got the volume of the gravel. The volume of the gravel equal to the area into the depth. Area 4,800 meters square. Depth I have changed into meter, dividing by 100. So I got 120 meter cube. Now the cost of gravel equal to 120 into rupees 7.25, that is equal to rupees 100, that is rupees 870.